Hey traders, just wanted to walk you through a long call option strategy today. Looking at the payoff graph here using Option Net Explorer, you can see here we're trading a 105 call strike um, Apple option at a cost of $9. It's around Delta 65. This was from back on September the 18th. As the options cost $900, that's the most we can lose on the downside. You can see this blue line here is the expiration payoff, and it rises up until on the upside as the stock's rising with a break-even point of the stock price plus the cost of the call option. So that's our expiration break-even point there, about 113, 114, 130.95. The other couple of lines here you can see are T plus 0, it's the first one there, T plus 9 and a T plus 18. So you can kind of see how the trade progresses over time. See if the stock stays still, we're going to slowly just lose money over time, and it's just going to decay away due to time decay. And if the stock drops, we're going to lose. If the stock rallies, we're going to win. And as we get closer to expiration, those interim lines are going to get closer and closer to that expiration, that blue line. The other thing I want to point out here is we've got our Greeks down the bottom here. You can see our delta is plus 66. That's right, because we're buying a 66 delta call. We've got slightly positive gamma. We've got negative theta, so we're losing money each day through time decay. And we've got positive vega. So this is a strategy that will benefit from rising volatility. And one thing I just want to point out here is we can see this here. If we just put in, say, a fairly extreme move, but just for example purposes, say volatility jumps 20%, you can see all those interim lines kind of jump up. You can see that T plus 0 line now would be in profit to the tune of about $200 or so. And the opposite is true. If volatility drops, we're going to lose money, and you see those lines all drop down. So volatility will have an impact on the trade, delta being the main driver, but volatility will have an impact as well. So those are the main things to note about the payoff diagram. What I want to do here is just walk through this trade using Option Net Explorer, the back testing. So we'll just fast forward day by day here. These dates are in Australian time, by the way, so this would be Friday afternoon in the US. You see the stock drops on the first day, the trade loses and rebounds back up and back down again. Until we finally come into a profit on the trade. And there, so we're getting quite closer to expiry here, and we're getting up towards the top of the graph here. There's much less difference between those interim dates and the expiration graph. All right, hope that helps you understand the long call option payoff graph. If you've got any questions, just let me know.